What up, everybody in Instagram, YouTube world? This is another video by Efi's Voice. Here I go. The title of this video is going to be something like Yawning is good for you. Yawning is good for you and can relieve stress. Yawning is good for you. People got to realize that yawning is good for you and can relieve stress. People don't, when you're young, you yawn, you don't think about it, nothing like that. But now that I'm older, I realize that yawning is good for you and can relieve stress. If you're too stressed, if you're too mad, if you're too angry, if you're talking too much, you're steamed and you're just vexed and you're mad and stuff like that, try yawning. Just yawning can relieve stress and help you express yourself the way you need to express yourself. Let yourself be heard more. Let yourself be felt more. Let yourself be stuff like that. So yawning, just do something like this. Yawning can be good for you and can relieve stress. Yawning is good for you and can relieve stress. When you're too stressed out, when you're bothered, when you're in pain, when you're stuff like that, try yawning. Just yawn. You don't need a deep yawn, but you could just go something like, if you're too stressed, if you're in pain, stuff like that, try yawning. Yawning, you don't need, and remember, it don't need to be a deep yawn. You just need a slight yawn, just a slight yawn. Yawning is good for you and can relieve stress. So it can help you breathe the way you're supposed to breathe. It can help you see things the way you're supposed to see things. It can help you be understood and just communicate better. So that's a trick I learned at my 39 years of age. Some little trick I learned about relieving stress and just being able to communicate with people. I learned that yawning is good for you. So and can relieve stress. So if you're too in a bad mood, if you're too angry, you're vexed, you're in pain, you're suffering, you can't breathe or something like that, try yawning. Because when you're young and you don't know why you yawn sometimes, it's maybe because you can't breathe. You're too vexed, you're too angry, and you need to breathe and communicate. That's probably why we yawn. No one knows why we yawn. So yawning is good for you and can relieve stress. Yawning is good for you. So if you're too vexed, if you're too in pain, if you can't breathe, if you can't communicate, try yawning. Just yawn. So yawning can help you out. Yawning can make you feel better. It can make you breathe more. It can make you exhale. It can make you breathe better. It can make you be seen better. It can make you realize things. And just realize that yawning is good for you and can relieve stress. So yawning is good for you. Just realize that it can help you out. It can help you breathe. It can help you when you're suffering. Just yawn. It can help you out. So yawning is good for you. Peace.